Namaskar, how are you all doing today? I am so grateful today. I am in the energy of immense gratitude today because जो मैंने सोचा था वो सारे काम मेरे आज हो गए और मैं बहुत अच्छे मूड में हूँ, बहुत अच्छी एनर्जी में हूँ. तो I was just thinking of pulling out some cards for my regular gratitude practice and मुझे लगा कि I have to share this with you all as well. So I have three categories in this wonderful deck, which is the gratitude deck. This is what it is, and we have three different options: purple color, green color, and color orange. You can choose whatever color you want. I'll tell you the meaning also of these colors which are told by the deck. The purple color is all about reflection, green color is all about inspiration, and orange color is all about affirmation. So do you need some reflection where you need to check out what exactly do you want to reflect upon and be grateful for it, or are you looking for some inspiration, or are you looking for some affirmation? Now the choice is yours. I would just say while you are on the video, while you're watching this video, just close your eyes, pause the video for a second if required, close your eyes and then concentrate on these three colors, that is orange color, green color and the purple color. Whichever calls your attention, please choose that particular card. Okay, now I'll give the readings. I'll give three different readings, of course. One from the orange color, one from the green color, and one from the purple color. You can choose whichever you want and whatever resonates you, and practice the gratitude giving as it has been advised by the cards, or whatever calls for you. Again, I'll repeat, orange color is all about affirmations. If you wish to affirm something today, then you can use that. If you want to get inspired, then you can choose the green color, and if you want to reflect upon something, then you can go ahead with the purple color. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now again, if you feel that you got to do all the three, you are more than welcome to do all the three. Okay, now pause for a second while I pull out the cards. First for reflection, which is the purple color, let me see what energy comes up. Okay, the reflection card, which is here, talks about acknowledging the good that you already have in your life in the foundation for all abundance. Okay, so what good did you have in your life today? आज के दिन में, जिस दिन आपके सामने ये वीडियो आ रहा है, उस दिन के लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ. आज के दिन में आपने क्या अच्छा किया, और what good did you do, or what good do you have in your life? Okay, how can you bring awareness of these beautiful things and think of a ritual for tomorrow that will remind you of your happiness today? तो रिफ्लेक्शन कार्ड में ही बता रहा है कि आपको बस वो चीज़ पे ध्यान देना है, कॉन्सेंट्रेट और फोकस ऑन दैट थिंग विच इज़ गुड, विच यू ऑलरेडी हैव, विच इज़ देयर विथ यू. आपके पास जो है, जो अच्छा है, आपको बहुत पसंद है, वो क्या ऐसा चीज़ है और उसके बारे में आपको क्या राय है, एंड थिंक अबाउट इट, how it has helped you, what are the things which has made you feel better because of this particular thing in your life, or it could be multiple things also in your life. Remember that and do some small ritual where you're being grateful to that particular thing or those things, or even that could be a person also. So be grateful so that when you are doing that ritual today, tomorrow makes it feel better for you. Okay, tomorrow your life will get better. हम हमेशा कहते हैं ना, आज अगर आप अच्छा किया तो कल आपका बहुत अच्छा होने वाला ही है. तो आज आप बैठ के सोचिए कि आपके पास ऐसा कौन सा चीज़ है या कौन सा व्यक्ति है जिसकी वजह से आपको बहुत कुछ मिला है, बहुत अच्छा हुआ आपके लाइफ में, एंड बी ग्रेटफुल. आप उनके लिए बहुत तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार रहो, तो आपके लिए कल का दिन अच्छा निकलेगा. सो रिफ्लेक्ट अपॉन व्हाट गुड यू हैव विथ यू सो दैट you can be in the energy of gratitude towards that thing or that person, so that tomorrow will be a better day for you. And now people who chose the green color, who are looking for some inspiration from these cards, let's see what the card has to say. which card pops up? Okay, it is look down at your body, whisper, there is no home like you, thank you. Find a way to give thanks using your body. What small acts of service can you provide for others or to your surroundings? हम लोग हमेशा अपने आप को बहुत जज करते थे. वी जज अ लॉट. वी से यार मैं मोटी हो गई हूँ, या मैं दुबला हूँ, या यू नो आई डोंट लाइक माई स्किन कलर, आई डोंट लाइक दिस, आई डोंट लाइक माई हेयर, आई डोंट लाइक द वे माई पिम्पल्स आर कमिंग आउट. यू नो, so many things we keep constantly judging, especially with the, we think it's only the girls who judge, but I have seen of late the boys also judge a lot about their looks. How do they look? If they have a great Frenchie, if they have a great mush, or their beard is growing, or what it is, do they have a belly, are they going to the gym regularly, or what have they done? So everybody of us, each one of us, we always judge ourselves, right? So अपने आप को जज करना बंद करो. Just look at yourself, maybe go in front of the mirror, मिरर के सामने खड़े हो जाइए, बोले कि ओ आई लव यू सो मच, यू आर सो ब्यूटिफुल. दिस ऑलवेज हेल्प्स. मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ. आई मीन जब वी मेट गीत का जो कैरेक्टर है, करीना कपूर जो बोलती है मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ, ये चीज़ मैं हमेशा मानती आई हूँ. एंड आई रियली फॉलो दिस. सेल्फ केयर अगर कुछ बोलते हैं तो यही है, अपने लिए अपने आप को जज नहीं करना, अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करना जैसे आप हो. प्लीज़ एक्सेप्ट योर बॉडी द वे इट इज़ एंड ऑलवेज इम्प्रोवाइज इट विथ लॉट ऑफ लव, विथ लॉट ऑफ केयर एंड विथ लॉट ऑफ healing energies. So find a way to give thanks using your body. Maybe you can just dance with your body, or just take a walk, or do some exercise, or maybe just relax and give that space and give that time, give that healing to your body. So that is what you can do. So inspiration जिन्होंने चुना है, जिन्होंने green color चुना है, उनके लिए यही है कि look down at your body, whisper, there is no home like you. So always be grateful that you have such a lovely body. It is at least working fine. वरना कितने लोगों की कितनी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, किसी के हाथ नहीं होते, किसी के पैर नहीं होते, किसी कोई अंधा होता है, कोई बहरा होता है. लेकिन अगर आपका सब कुछ बराबर है तो बी ग्रेटफुल टू योर बॉडी, बी वेरी हैप्पी एंड थैंकफुल कि you are able to have such a lovely and a beautiful body, and then continue giving that gratitude and heal yourselves. Okay, now moving on to people who chose the orange color, जिनको affirmation चाहिए था. Let's see what guidance will the cards give. Okay, here we go. Enough is a feast. Wow, it's a Buddhist proverb. What if right now you have everything that you actually need? Oh my God, this is so deep. हम हमेशा सोचते रहते हैं कि हमारे पास ये नहीं है, हमारे पास वो नहीं है, we don't have this, we don't have that, we need to buy this, we need to go for this, we need to attempt this, blah blah blah. इतने सारे desires, इतने सारे requirements हमारे बढ़ते रहते हैं, कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होता है ना. ये desire is so high. So either it's such a beautiful card which talks about a Buddhist proverb which says enough is a feast. आपके पास जो है अब वो आपके लिए काफ़ी है, शायद आपके लिए काफ़ी है और आप ये रियलाइज़ नहीं कर रहे हो. What if right now you have everything that you actually need? Think upon it, ponder on those thoughts कि am I content with whatever I have? If not, what is that which I am missing, and where can I change my attitude and being grateful with all those things which I already have. जो मेरे पास सब कुछ है अब फिलहाल के लिए, जो भी मेरे पास है उससे मैं कितना संतुष्ट हो सकता हूँ, कितना संतुष्ट हो सकती हूँ. This is what you need to think about and be grateful to whatever you have with you as on today. I hope you like the reading. If you like the reading, please do not forget to share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and please do press the like button. आपका support मेरे लिए बहुत important है. Thank you so much, and keep rocking, keep taking care of yourself until we meet in the next video. Bye bye, take care.